Okay guys, welcome back to Network Fate channel. Today we are going to discuss about VXLAN uh, BGP EVPN lab setup. So first thing is today I'm not going to show everything, to just giving the brief overall explanation how we are going to make this lab setup, right? So this is the two spine. I have taken two spine switch, okay, two leaf, and this is L2 boundary. I kept one L2 switch in middle of uh, two leaf, okay, and two PC, two servers, okay. So why I kept switch here? I can directly connect my server to direct to the leaf switch directly, but I kept it because in real scenario we used to do like this way, okay. So two spine, two leaf, and one L2 switch and two server. So here the setup is we are going to make point to point OSPF, named OSPF. OSPF name we keep it underlay. Okay. So we're going to create point to point OSPF between leaf and spine. It's the leaf 1, leaf 2, spine 1, spine 2. Okay, now you got it, right? So between leaf to spine, we have one link is going to spine 1 and another link is going to spine 2. Similar way, leaf 2 is connected, everything is connected to link, vice versa. Okay. So everything is point to point. We are running OSPF for reachability. Okay. So I already said we're going to use two protocols. One is for OSPF, another one is for BGP. Okay. Actually IBGP. Because OSPF we are using for reachability purpose, right, underlay, and BGP we are using for tunnel. Okay. Under soft layer and under BGP we are creating soft layer of tunnel. Okay. So now OSPF, now once we created directly point to point, and we enabling here OSPF, and we are enabling ping sparse mode. So we have two modes there. So I'm taking a PIM sparse mode, okay, on this lab. So on the interface, what we are saying, OSPF point to point. Okay, we are setting IP address and we are setting OSPF point to point, and we are saying that this PIM sparse mode. Okay, so the configuration is similar for all the interfaces. Okay, we will be making it OSPF and we are PIM command we are putting onto all the interfaces. So once it's done, so we will get if you see so IP OSPF neighbor, you will get the detail of all the switches, right? Now we want to create BGP, right? BGP IPGP between both leaf and spine switches. So for that, what we are doing, we are taking one loopback. Okay, for each switches we are taking loopback 0, for example. Okay, we are making this loopback is a routing interface like L3, right? Like we are setting one IP and we are putting into OSPF and we are putting into sparse mode as well. Now you got it, right? Same configuration, whatever configuration we are putting here, right? The same configuration we are going to apply on loopback 0 of all the switches. So once it's done, right? Once loopback 0 is created for all the interfaces, then we can make BGP based on loopback interface. So BGP will run, IPGP actually will run based on loopback 0 interfaces. Okay, now we got it. Why we are using loopback here? So loopback for purpose, the main purpose for we are running BGP, for that purpose we are using loopback 0, and we are creating one more loopback. Okay, so we have to create beta tunnel. So how we can create, right? We can create directly connected the interface because it is already OSPF running for under reachability purpose, right? So for that on the only leaf switches, only on leaf we are going to run VTEP tunnel, right? Spine actually it is just forward the packet. It don't do any encryption decryption. Okay, so spine is more kind of control plane and it won't act as a data plane. It will don't open the data plane packet. So simply we can say um, here we enabling VTAP tunnel. For example, this VTAP tunnel 1 and this will be VTAP tunnel 2. Right, now you got it. So overall what we are going to do, right? So for first we enabling OSPF for all the devices, then we are going to enable BGP IBGP based on loopback 0 interface. Okay, then we are going to enable VTAP tunnel only on leaf by using any loopback, right? Any loopback 1 or something. What else is there? Okay, here we enabling VTAP, right? On the spine switch we are going to enable Ranju point, right? If I enabling PIM, it want to communicate with this RP here, so we can keep one virtual IP, because we can't give this IP because maybe the link will go down, so that time it will go for reconvergence. To avoid that, what we do for spine, how we can take only VTAP, we have taken one loopback for one purpose for VTAP creation, right? Same way on the spine switch, only on spine switch we can take one loopback. Okay, so for example loopback 254, right? Okay, we will take loopback 254 and we will keep the IP, so both the spine and the IP will be identical. Like for example we are keeping like 192.168.1.124 for example, so both side it will be same like that. Here also loopback 254, here also loopback 254, and IP will be same. Now you got it, right? What I am, so now you got it, right? Here we are running OSPF, BGP and VTAP. Here on the spine we are running OSPF, BGP and Ranjo point multicast. So this will be recurve loopback. This is also recurve loopback. Here, yeah, this will recurve loopback, and VTAP tunnel we can only on leaf switches it will recurve loopback. Now you got it, right? This is actual design. So this is only we are going to do. So configuration perspective, you know that, right? OSPF point to point is very easy creating point to point, and BGP we are going to use IBGP. So when we giving IP address and all, then we have to give update source loopback, right? Update source loopback 0, then only it will form the neighbors, right? IBGP. So only few things is there. Apart from this, it is very simple. Already you're aware that OSPF and BGP, then it will be very easy. And additionally, we are running multicast here. So I will share the multicast configuration on next video. Okay, this is the overall design. And another thing is I would like to tell you, when you are I am using EVNG, okay, community version. So if you are going to if you are building up the lab on EVNG, so when you are inserting NextOS on the first time, you will observe this kind of when first time you are putting the device, right, you will get this loader option. So don't panic. So this is simple. So first you can just check directory what are the OS you are running. So I am running NextOS 7.3. Okay, my OS is actually it is NextOS 7. So directly you can put boot. That's it. So first time when you are booting first time, it will ask for loader option. Okay, then you have to select boot option, boot, and what are the OS you are running. You can copy and paste it. So once it's done, right, it takes few minutes, it will get it done based on your RAM capacity, right? So come on. Okay, now it's came up. So it will ask you to give the username password. So you can provide default one admin. So when you boot up, it will take around 5 minutes to boot up. So once it came, right, then it will ask for auto provisioning. My suggestion, you can give no. Okay, sorry, if you ask auto provisioning, please give yes, so it will disable pop call. It is asking power on auto provisioning, so it is a virtual device, so you can disable that. First option, it will ask for power, about power on, you can give yes, then it will go for password. So give me admin, enter for length should at least 8 character. Okay. Cisco at 123, Cisco at 123. No. So now you got it, right? So if you are enabling first time, so it will ask you to run the, so that's it. So first time it will go for bootloader option, then you can run your iOS, whatever iOS you have that, right? Then it will ask for first option, you can give yes, then it will about the power options, then it will ask for username password, you can provide, it will ask you, can I go for auto provisioning, right? Auto automatic configuration, give no. First you can give yes for power, second one is for configuration, you can give no. Then it will manually ask for to put your admin password, username and password, then you can put your admin password, and username is admin, yeah, password is 8 character, so you can give whatever you want. So once you given, this is the result, you will get this result, right? So now you can understand what purpose we are using. We are running OSPF for underlay, and we are using IBGP for overlay kind of, right, our VTAP learning purpose. And we are using loopback, spine and leaf, but different purpose. Leaf side we are using for VTAP tunnel creation, okay, and spine side we are using for RP, okay, range open for multicast purpose, right? That's it today. Tomorrow I will put you all the configuration in this slide, then we'll explain it you step by step. Thank you.